Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Jigyasa. In this video, I will tell you how to speak on any cue card topic. Cue card comes in a form of questions and examiner asks from you to talk about any object, event or person. You have to speak on any particular topic and 3 or 4 questions are associated with cue card and you have to answer all the 3 or 4 questions. One very important thing here that don't forget to answer any question. If you forget to answer any questions, then this can decrease your band score. And be honest, be original, be confident, and don't get nervous. Speak as much as you can if you want to get good band score. In this video, I will tell you how to speak on any particular cue card topic. Don't get nervous, I am giving an example here. So without wasting your precious time, let's start. For example, examiner asks from you to speak on a cue card related to an advertisement ad you see or read recently. When and where you saw it, what was the advertisement and how you feel after seeing the advertisement. A very important thing here that be honest, be original, speak as much as you can and answer all the 3 questions. अगर आप किसी भी पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना भूल जाते हैं then this can decrease your band score. So keep this point in your mind that you have to answer all the 3 questions if you want to get good band score. Here I am going to give you an example how to speak on a cue card topic. Let's start. Advertisements are ubiquitous these days. I saw a lot of advertisement in my life, but here I would like to talk about an advertisement which I saw recently. I saw this advertisement yesterday on Sony channel. This advertisement was related with Samsung Galaxy Note 8 5 and Anushka Sharma was brand ambassador of this phone. She is my favorite actress. I have seen her almost movies. She explained the features of the phone in this advertisement. This phone is really very attractive, a beautiful phone, and I make my mind to purchase this phone. This phone has 64 megapixel camera and 128 GB memory. Apart from this, it has a navigation system and this phone has a calendar, FM radio and internet facility. It has a Wi-Fi system also. After seeing the advertisement, I made my mind to purchase the phone. My friend has also same phone and she explained me a lot of features regarding this phone and motivates to me to purchase this phone, but this phone is out of my pocket and after seeing this advertisement I have started to collect money to purchase this phone. The cost of this phone is 50,000 rupees. Now I have collected 30,000 rupees and definitely within this month I will purchase this phone. So guys, आपने देखा होगा कि मैंने क्यू कार टॉपिक पर कैसे बोला. मैंने तीनों के 3 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दिया कि पहले मैंने बताया कि एडवर्टीज़मेंट के कंसर्न, उसके बाद मैंने बताया कि मैंने ये एडवर्टीज़मेंट कब और कहाँ देखी थी और एडवर्टीज़मेंट किसके बारे में थी. एडवर्टीज़मेंट देखने के बाद मुझे कैसा महसूस हुआ. मैंने तीनों के 3 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दिया. तो आपने भी गाइस ऐसे ही करना है. क्यू कार टॉपिक को देखने के बाद यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर नोट्स विद इन अ 1 minute. You have to prepare your notes and keep this point in your mind that you have to answer all the 3 questions. Don't forget to answer any particular question. If you forget, then examiner decrease your band score. Another important tip here that be honest, be original, speak as much as you can. And very important thing, don't hesitate to speak and don't get nervous. If you get nervous, then this can influence your band score. So guys, hope so you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.